I can't pronounce the material, but I would like to get you guys this. That's why I can keep. I'm at a point in my life where when I think of something that I really want to buy, especially things for my content, things that make my everyday life more easier, I always resort to Temu. In this video, I am going to be doing a haul of the latest items that I have gotten from Temu, from tech devices to tech accessories, tablets, phone cases, you name it, and it's in this haul.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
Kicking off the video is this new mic that I got. My old mic, I felt it was having issues because it was no longer compatible with my iPhone. So I went and I got me this new one that has 3 compatible USB ports. It has a 3.5mm jack for phones that can use jacks. It also has a USB-C port and a USB Lightning port for iPhones, the older models before the 15 series. I actually love this mic. That's what I'm wearing right now. Tell me what you think of the sound quality in the comments. This mic has 3 buttons on it. It has the power on and power off button that also controls the noise cancellation features. It also has a volume up and volume down button that also controls the volume of the mic. Again, tell me what you think of the sound. It sounds amazing in my own ears and my brother's ears, who is a professional videographer. I would like to get you guys' input on what the sound quality is giving. Next is this adapter. Now, this is for when I need to film but charge my phone while I am filming. So I plug this straight into the phone. Then I plug my charger here and plug the mic here. This is pretty handy. I actually forgot that I got this until it came in the mail, and I was like, gassed. And it works really, really well. Very happy about this purchase. Next is this tablet. This is the Teclast T60 AI tablet. This comes with amazing AI features and also a Bluetooth keyboard that I'll be showing you guys later on. I am going to dedicate a separate video to the review of this tablet. I have been using this for months. This tablet, and I actually got this because you tend to see all these YouTube ads that say this tablet is not a toy. This is the most solid tablet I have ever used in my life, even better than the very first iPad that I got in 2014. This iPad does everything. Storage is 128 gig, 6 gig, expandable to 16 gig. Everything about it is true. Like I said, I will give you more details in the reviews. For now, this is what the tablet looks like. Even the case doubles as a stand in a way. So, next review. This is the Bluetooth keyboard that came with the tablet. We have already connected it and the connection is actually pretty correct. It's pretty seamless. It works. You can also charge this with the USB-C charger that it came with. It doesn't come with a charger. It just comes with the USB cord. No charger in the box. That's the only disappointing thing. But you cannot go wrong with what you get. You cannot go wrong with the actual device and the price that you get it at. Love that for me. I had to get a protective case because yes, the protective case that the tablet came in was really good, but I wanted more protection because that thing is pretty heavy. So this is a neoprene pink tablet sleeve. Yeah, I got it with headphones because I love music. I saw that designs like panda, teddy bears, but I wanted the headphones because of my love for music. This is what it looks like. It has several pockets where I can keep the keyboard, pockets where I can keep the stylus pens, which I'll be showing you in a bit, and I can also keep other things in here as well. So love this for me. And it is also very cushioned, which shows that my tablet is going to be getting the best protection it can get. Next thing up is this 128 gig memory card that I got for the tablet. It has features for expandable storage up to 1 terabyte, but I feel like that's too much because I got the tablet mainly for school and watching high quality videos. So I settled for the 128 gig memory card, which I have successfully put in the tablet, and I am happy to announce that the tablet recognizes it and the storage is true. It's not 128 gig on the box, and then when you put it in, you see something like 12.7 megabytes, that kind of thing. It is true 128 gigs. We have these stylus pens. Like I said, the tablet is for schoolwork and watching videos. So I feel like using a stylus pen maybe to take notes in class would be more effective than typing. So I got two stylus pens. I have already tested on the tablet and the grip is amazing. It's not like the last stylus pen that I had on my Infinix Note 5 stylus that if I wanted to write on the tablet, it would be slipping and sliding everywhere. The grip was horrible, but this is premium and I love it. Also affordable as well. Got it in two of my favorite colors, rose red and gold. Next up are these earphones. I got two of these. One was peach. This is white. I gave the peach one to my mom. I got these headphones because the tablet supports 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks, and I plan on trying to record some songs with the tablet. So I had to get headphones for it because Bluetooth is not the best when it comes to recording music, at least for now. These are the headphones, they work pretty well. I didn't get them for listening to music because these are not the type of ear holders that I would like on my ear. Leave them in for too long and your ear starts to hurt. So this one I got in white because I don't know, I just love the color white for earbuds. This item is a glow in the dark tape. I actually got this for suitcases that I have. These suitcases are all these collapsible Oxford cloth suitcases that you see at the airport these days that help you to store more things without having your bags weigh more than they need to. And when you are done taking all the things out of the suitcase, you can collapse them and store them easily. Because these bags are so popular these days, I needed a way to identify them, and that's why I got this glow in the dark tape. Next items are phone cases. I got phone cases for my mom's Redmi Note 10, my Redmi Note 12 Pro, and the Redmi 15C. I also got this phone case for my brother's iPhone 14 Pro, which is like an Autobox dupe. This matches the Autobox phone cases a lot, and this is also the phone cases that we have on our iPhones as well. I and my other siblings have on our iPhones. I also got this rugged case for my Note 12 Pro as well. Now this case comes with a camera protective slot, also comes with this phone stand feature and this circular phone holder at the back, all attached to the case. The material of the phone case is very solid, very sturdy. Next item I got is this toy phone for the little baby at home. It has been time ago since I gave this boy this phone and he is still using it and still loving it. He loves it so much. One of the other items I got is this 110 centimeter reflector. This is going to be for my content. I am slowly but surely gathering up things that will help me upgrade the quality of my content. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked, like. If you care, share. Subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when content like this goes up. Love you. See you in my next one and choose.